No dying at my house. I'll send you home for
I
that.
had a ghost pepper.
Take me by the hand and let's go find our own space.
I am back and trying to finish up these paintings yet again before the sun goes down. This is a theme, I guess, with me. It's always trying to squeeze it in between work and kids. So these are the kinds of projects that fit into a busy lifestyle, which is, I think, why I hope you will enjoy these. But they're also easy, and I think that art should be fun. It should be easy to do, and it shouldn't be too complicated. Well, at least that's my thing. You have almost all unanimously asked for one specific painting. So I want to show you how easy it is to do my grid abstract artwork. It's so simple, you're gonna love this. Now I am beginning with a canvas that I've already painted, of course, because I play around a lot. So I don't really want a gray background. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my acrylic paint, just like I did on my last artwork, and you can't see it, it's basic. Acrylic white paint, and I'm just gonna paint this canvas and make it white and let it dry, and then I'll show you super easy how to do the rest of it. You don't have to do this first step if you happen to have a blank canvas. Most of the other ones that I have done in this grid pattern have been a blank canvas, but I don't have one on hand, and I'm like, well, why go to the store and buy another canvas if I have this one and I'm not using it? So that's what I'm gonna do. Paint with acrylic paint, get a good base, and then we'll go from there. I am back. My kids are playing right outside the window, so you might be able to hear them a little bit. They're winding down on summer break, and they're definitely getting a little bit antsy. So they are outside on their scooters and playing. So to finish this project, I don't know if this is weird. It probably is a little bit weird, but I find the little oops paints, or I love to get the samples from Behr because they have all these really pretty colors. So I just have a bunch of paint on hand. So instead of going out or trying to mix my own colors, I just either grab one that I already have or get one from the store. This is one that I've had for a long time. This is the same thing that I would use. Oh, see, look, it's got a little yuckies inside. This is the same thing I would use for furniture and everything. So it's just their, it's a matte, actually I think it's this flat. It's a flat color sample of their marquee. And I just think that the colors are really cool, and they just, I don't know, it's easier to me than trying to mix your own colors. You can tell me if you think this is cool or if you would rather mix your own. I love this brush. I got this in Denmark, and it's bristly, and you can kind of tell it's very hard actually. And I think that works for this little technique that I'm about to do. You could use a regular brush as well. That part's not super important. It's just my preference. So I'm just gonna paint stripes one way and then paint stripes again the other way. Look who decided to join me. He's come in from riding around on his scooter, and Landon is gonna help me paint the second one. How fun is that? So I wanna show you how easy this project is, and he's gonna do it for us. So do you think you can show everybody how to paint these kind of grids on their pictures?
Yes.
I have a fun surprise for you.
What?
I know your favorite color is green.
Yes.
Okay, so I have 3 choices. You can do dark green. This is like a forest green. You can do this green color that's kind of a little bit of a darker green, or what does that say?
glow in the dark paint.
Would you like to try it with glow in the dark paint?
I actually have an idea.
Okay.
So, how many lines do they have to be across?
You can make as many as you want.
I have an idea. Can I like have 3 lines all different and then 3 more lines different?
You can do whatever you want.
I want to do every 3 lines is every line is a different color.
That's cool. Okay, this is my thought too. We'll have to wash the brush in between each color. But I thought it might be easier. So you still want them across like this, right? You've got 3. I did 6 across. Are you gonna try to do 6 across? Like how many do you want across? Because we can make the lines thinner.
We'll try and do at least 3 lines.
Of each color?
Yes.
Okay, so what my suggestion is let's make a dot. 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, and then you can take the brush and start at the top and pull it down. Try that, see if that works.
So like,
yep, and then just make a straight line down. There we go. Can you really invite a 10-year-old boy into the studio and not expect him to give you a challenge? My youngest, Landon, has decided to turn this painting video into a challenge video. And so he has challenged me to put our paintings on Instagram and let everybody vote to see whose painting they like the best. And the loser is going down. Here we go.
I'll give you.
Okay, so here's a challenge.
That's it.
We need you guys to vote. So in just a second, I'll pop up these pictures and you guys can tell us, because we have to wait till they're dry before we can show them to you fully. You guys tell us whose painting you like better. Do you like mine, Valentina, or do you like Landon's?
You will like mine more. This
Okay,
is better.
so whoever, you guys leave a vote. You can just leave a name that you're voting for that person, and the person that has, ew, why? Go away. Okay. Whoever has the least amount of votes has to eat their least favorite thing.
She will eat something spicy with sauce on it, making it more spicy.
And you will eat asparagus.
Asparagus.
Okay. All right. Challenge accepted. Is that what I'm supposed to do?
Yeah.
Show me.
Hey!
Okay, well, as you guys can probably tell, I've totally lost this challenge. I have to eat spicy food, and it has drawn a crowd. We've got Landon, Parker, and their best bud, Matt, here. And they have brought their favorite hot sauces, and Louie's wanting in on it too. You want in on it too? I feel a little bit like I've been ganged up on. But these guys are going to make me eat their favorite hot sauces, and then they are going to indulge themselves.
That is completely red. This has seeds in it and it's red. That looks deadly.
Okay, should I try the least so I can actually like
Get the
to
feel
it?
they could
Okay. Does this
The whole
count?
chip, the whole chip.
The whole chip. Oh God.
Thank you guys for voting.
Dropped it.
That's even better.
Oh my God! I have to eat this whole thing. This doesn't have milk in it, does it? It has like a warning sign.
Oh yeah, but it's not even the hottest one. There's one more hotter than
Oh
this.
my God! It's got a warning on it.
It's not spicy.
Thank you for voting me.
I missed my mouth. Oh my God! That's hot.
Straight faces.
Mmm. Oh my God! That is really hot.
Man, you're probably not gonna survive this.
Oh my God!
This is
Wow.
insane.
Guys,
That's hot.
I'm happy you guys voted me. I did not want to eat asparagus. Thank you for voting
Asparagus.
me for the
I love asparagus. Oh my God! I love it.
the
Okay, I'm still
glow in the
breathing.
dark tornado.
Still breathing. I'm still
At
alive.
least they're not Brussels sprouts.
My mouth is definitely burning.
I should try the tiger sauce.
Yeah.
Okay.
Only
Oh my
drink
God.
after
I've
you've
never eaten that
eaten
much tiger
a chip
sauce.
from every bowl.
This tastes good
Okay.
on ramen noodles.
I do love some tiger sauce.
You're used to it.
That one's sweet.
Yes.
Okay.
Like,
Is that actually gonna kill me?
No.
It's
actually
pretty
gonna
hot.
die?
It's actually hot though.
Oh,
like
God.
not like the ghost pepper, but it's
Oh God. Okay.
It's hot.
Okay.
Say, like-
Does this count? Is that
Yeah.
enough?
Can you go a
I
little
would
more?
agree.
Just a
No.
little tiny bit.
I'll do a spoonful for the
Oh
camera.
my God. You guys are insane. This
Good
is
luck.
insane.
Hey, we have video proof in case you die.
This is
Yeah.
what happens in the house of Valentina when the camera's not going normally.
It even
You
says
guys know.
warning. They say warning.
Oh, does this one have a warning too?
Don't try this at home, kids that are watching.
We're trained professionals.
Oh
Yes.
my
To
God.
eat.
At least
Spicy.
us three are.
We
Okay,
ate spice.
here we
Yeah,
go.
We did. We ate a ghost pepper. Is it
I
good?
tried this on pizza. It's spicy.
I've tried a spoonful of that.
It's good.
Man, wait.
Holy cow.
That's not the whole
Oh my
shit.
God. Okay. I've survived, technically, but I think my entire throat is burning. I hope that you guys have enjoyed our video and this extra little bonus challenge. And I hope that you guys will, sorry, I keep feeling I can't talk because I can't use my mouth properly.
These chips are amazing.
Check out our video. Let us know if you try the DIY artwork, and we hope that you will make it your own and enjoy it and put it up in your house. And let us know if you enjoyed the inclusion of the real House of Valentina. And we will see you guys very soon. Oh, don't forget, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and we will see you very soon. Bye.
Now what?
Are you still dying?
Now what?
He's still shoving chips in his mouth.
Now what?
Okay, bye guys. Bye guys. Oh, bye bye.